In this video, I will show you how to create a smartwatch face mockup. Choose Ellipse tool. Reduce opacity. Choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T. Hold Alt. Press Enter. Double-click. Import Face Smartwatch. Press Enter. Alt-click. Increase opacity. Ctrl-S. Choose Screen. Customize opacity. Before and after. Don't forget to like this video, and thank for watching.